one makes two, but three becomes a crowd. Friends are meant to be just friends, and love was never said. You don't believe I really love you, I don't know why I should care. Often think about you, wish that you were here, but you don't believe I really love you.
Our next look is on Jazzy. She's what we would call a tween. Someone who's just starting to get into makeup, but we thought we'd show her how pretty she can really look. She was one cool cat, I have to say. So first up with this age group is always mascara. So let's curl the lashes. We started off with a heated eyelash curler. We went to the conventional one. She had a go. We went back to the heated eyelash curler. We did 2 coats of the Lush Eyes Right mascara. And if you zigzag it in with a wiggling motion, it'll get from the roots to the end of your lashes. And you can sweep that brush out into the tips. We used the Lush Skin Tint in the shade of Charisma first. Then we used a little tiny bit of the Bobbi Brown Stick Foundation in the colour Neutral Honey. A tiny bit of concealer under the eyes, but not a lot of makeup was used at all. Gentle powder over the face, just to set that foundation. We used a cream blush, just in a nice rose pink. We also used a golden highlight on her brow bone in a cream and on the inner socket of her eyes and also on her cheekbones. We used a brown eyeliner above the top lash line and we blended that out. Just gives a nice base, and the next colour we put on was a loose dust champagne colour just on top of those eyelids there. Just flicking away any excess of that loose dust shadow. Final touch-ups of concealer under the eyes, and just to add some fun for her age group, we used a colour which is a bit like a bubblegum pink. On her eyebrows, we've used a mixture of 2 colours, brunette and espresso, and as a brow powder is all that's required. Just filling in any empty spaces there, not too much needed at all. So this looks more for a youthful tween look, so it would suit something like a graduation, Year 7 graduation, or maybe a school dance. We've used a champagne sort of pinkish colour on a loose dust on the eyes, with some gold shimmer on the brow bone and the inner rim and on the top of the cheeks, as well as we've used some of the Lush products, the Illuminizer under the skin first. It's called Charisma, it's a skin tint, and we've also used the Lush black mascara to make her eyes sort of come alive. And we've also then used some Bobbi Brown stick foundation just to cover up a few imperfections, but at her age she hasn't got any. So it's a really like casual little sweet look, but I'd like to know what you think. What do you reckon?
I feel like a celebrity.
This production has been brought to you by Someday Pictures and Jenstar Makeup. You can follow us on Instagram.
Make him beautiful. Gwabadabiny.
And I